In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link email in Framer. We'll start by opening your project in Framer. Once you're in the canvas, click the text, button, or icon you want to turn into an email link. You'll see its properties appear in the right-hand panel. Look for the link control. If you don't see it at first, make sure the layer itself, not its parent frame, is selected. Click Link to open the link settings. In the input field, type Mailto, followed by your email address. For example, you'll type Mailto, then your address right after it with no spaces. This tells the browser to open the visitor's default email app when they click. Press Enter or confirm the field to save it. Next, open the link to options. Here you can fine-tune how the link behaves. I'll switch one option off, then turn the next two on. This common setup keeps the email link in the same tab and ensures it has clear, accessible styling when people hover or focus on it. Use the choices that match your design guidelines. If you have a second element that needs the same email link, select that layer now and open link again. Choose Edit, then repeat the same Mailto. Set up so both elements point to the same address. This keeps your contact points consistent across the page. Let's style the link so it's obvious and on brand. Choose color to set the link color that contrasts well with your background. Open Decoration to decide whether to show an underline or another treatment by default. If you're using a button-like link, turn on Fill to add a background, then open Radius and choose Squircle for a smooth, friendly shape. Adjust padding to give the link comfortable breathing room so it's easy to click or tap. If your spacing looks tight, add a touch more padding and preview again until it feels right. Now, add some motion polish. Open Transition, then switch to the hover state. Tweak the hover color, underline, or background so there's a clear visual response when users interact. A subtle color shift with a short, easing transition usually feels crisp and professional. Click on the canvas to deselect and give everything a final glance. When you're happy, hit Publish. After publishing, test the link on your live site. Clicking it should open the visitor's email client with your address ready to go. Pro tip: if you need more control later, you can extend Mailto links with parameters like a preset subject or body, which helps streamline support requests.